I'm 117% of profit realized. So like I've whatever dollar I put in, I've made 117% on that dollar, which is fantastic considering I've only been doing this for like a year and a half, right? Um, Obviously the market blew up, so you could say like, ah, dude, it was dumb luck. Everyone was making money. That's fine, but I also wasn't losing money. I think that's more important than anything. In the stock market, if you make 117% for every dollar that you've spent, odds are you were in the market for like 3 to 5 years at a minimum, right? Like stock market doesn't go up 100% year over year. So I'd like to think that I'm doing something right. It's still a good time to pick up Destined Rivals. Destined Rivals right now is like $700 a box. It should only go up. I think it's like 650, maybe fives if you're lucky and you can find one on eBay, find one local, something like that, right? But I think Destined Rivals is going to be a $2,000 box. So like, don't be greedy just because you don't want to pay $700. 2K is still fantastic and it's easy money. You'll hold on to it for a while. 5 years, 3 years, 10 years, doesn't matter. It's the one box that you're going to have to hold on to and just keep somewhere, right? Like, you don't have to do anything with it. And it's much easier than buying, like, I don't know, 50 Surging Sparks booster bundles to make the same amount of money. To that point, and kind of the same idea, Surging Sparks is the same thing. Like, I have been picking up booster boxes. I would pick up ETBs, but I think I'm already kind of stretched a little thin on my pickups. I also just picked up 151. I also just picked up Paldea Evolved. That's another one that I didn't mention in my most recent video. Paldea Evolved is a great one to pick up. If you like Lost Origin, that Shinji Kanda Magikarp should carry the set. But also the Tyranitar is great. The Raichu is great. There's a lot of good cards in Paldea Evolved, SVO2. So highly recommend still picking that up. I think it's only 410, 415. If you can get that below 430, get it. Go grab it. Pick it up right now. I just want to give you guys like as much information as possible because like, dude, people are sleeping on really good sets. People don't want Shrouded Fables. They don't want Black Bolt, White Flare. Those are good sets to get into, man. Like, they're not the craziest print run. And I mean, eventually they should go up. They always go up, dude. It's really just a matter of like who's buying what. You need to be investing in a whole bunch of different things. Don't just buy what's hyped. It's not just about Prismatic, although Prismatic is still a great pickup. I would definitely be picking up Prismatic this year over Ascended Heroes and then get Ascended Heroes next year, right? Or get Ascended Heroes at the end of this year. And yeah, man, I mean, One Piece, right? Like One Piece is good to get into if you can get it for a reasonable price. I think that they are going to have a lot of reprints coming up soon too. So like, don't feel like you have to get in now or never. Don't use credit cards. Do not over leverage yourself because if you use credit cards and you had $1,000 on the credit card and then you spent $1,000 and then something crashes somewhere, well, now you can't go buy the crash. You can't go buy the dip. You can't go buy the next big thing. That's how you miss out on the really good opportunities. So keep that in mind. Also, I just started sim racing and it's been a lot of fun. That is my new obsession, and I'm currently in the market for like a new camera, like a new video camera. I used to own the ZVE1, and I really enjoyed that. And I am waiting on B&H Photo to deliver my Nikon ZR. And after I have a chance to play with both of them side by side for like 2 to 3 weeks, I'll probably just sell the other one.